Hi, Lee from Cabot here, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to restore your outdoor furniture using Cabot's Garden Furniture Oil. This outdoor bench has seen better days. Sun, wind, rain have really taken a toll, leaving the timber weathered. And that's where Cabot's Garden Furniture Oil comes in. Designed to protect and nourish your timber, keeping it looking fresh, it's easy to apply, quick to dry, making it the perfect solution to oil your garden furniture. For this project, we'll be using Cabot's Garden Furniture Oil, Cabot's Deck Clean, a paintbrush, and a drop sheet. To start, it's important to prepare your timber with Cabot's Deck Clean. This will remove any dirt and mould, and it's an essential step to ensure a long-lasting finish. Next, stir your Cabot's Garden Furniture Oil thoroughly. It's now time to apply. When applying the oil, be sure to work in the direction of the grain to avoid leaving any brush marks. Be sure to get into all those nooks and crannies. Allow the oil to dry for 2 hours before applying a second coat. You can use this time to sit back and enjoy a cold drink. Cabot's Garden Furniture Oil also comes in an easy to use trigger pack, which helps you coat quicker with less mess. With Cabot's, your outdoor furniture will be looking its best and ready for your next get together.